can see by how you look, oh yes, you're feeling, oh this bubble style. I see the look in your eye.
And welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because it is finally a room reveal slash room tour video, because I've been working on my apartment, like my room in my apartment, for literally like a month now, like just slowly but surely getting all the pieces together, and I think I'm finally at that point where I'm ready to show you guys what it looks like. I recorded the whole process of me putting together the furniture and like added like different tips and tricks that you guys can do just to make your space look more put together. I will say though, a lot of my clips did get lost because my camera would just like run out of battery or stop recording or run out of storage or whatever. So some of the clips are a little choppy, but I will make sure I post slides to like show what I'm exactly doing and what the end result was. But yeah, super excited to show you guys what my room looks like. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Go subscribe down below. Show your support. I really appreciate it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to the video.
I'll have you moving crazy. I'll have you moving wild. You'll be acting oopsie day.
So this is what my room looked like before I even moved in. As you can see, a lot of my stuff is all over the place, but it was a pretty good sized room for New York. What I wasn't impressed about though, honestly, was the closet. It was super small and I knew I had to kind of play around with storage options. Overall, I was really excited to get this room project going.
Oh, give me that feeling. Could you tell me what's the meaning? Ooh, you're forever teasing. Floating, 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 floating. Ooh, dreaming, 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 dreaming.
Hey guys, so I am back and I have been working on this dresser, which I just finished. Well, not just finished. I finished this last night. I went to bed at like 1:30 because this took a little longer than I anticipated. And I had work today, so that was fun. But it's done and I can finally start to clean up some of my messes because I can organize my clothes here now, so that's exciting. I have a desk left to assemble, which came in today, this morning, and it's actually the same finish, so I'm really excited to get this project over with because I at least like want to have my furniture and everything ready so that I can, you know, start giving my room some shape and form so I can work on the decor, which is the best part, obviously. So stay tuned and let's get this desk rolling. What was this weird thing I just did? Hey guys, so I just realized that my camera battery died, so I pretty much lost the whole process of me putting this desk together. However, it is done. It took about 3 hours too. I think that's because I was multitasking. This one wasn't as bad to build, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so my lamp over here was this ugly silver color, which I was really irritated about because A, it was not cute, and B, it was not cute. So I tried to kind of make it cute by adding like that macrame string around it and like trying to create a more textured look. So I'm not super, you know, sad about how it turned out. It's obviously not perfect and I didn't expect it to be perfect. Like it just looks like a more elaborated pole, I guess. But I did get lazy towards the end and you guys can see I did not get the rest of it done. I just kind of left the string there too because I just got so tired. This took me like way longer than expected, but we have this here. I just put the lines up. As you guys can see in the video, I struggled a lot. I measured my wall and it was coming to about like 71 and a half, so I could either get like the 71 blinds or 72 inch blinds. So I was like, well, I don't want them to be loose. Little did I know, like you have to put, like you need to get the smaller ones, but I'm dumb, so I got like, and oh my god, it was so annoying because in New York you can't even return stuff when you get it, because like, especially if there's like huge stuff like furniture, because you have to carry it to the mail office. I don't have a car, so I really wanted them to work out, so I took a hot knife. I cut through the blinds with a hot knife because I thought that I could potentially shorten them. I didn't, by the way, so if you're thinking about it, don't do it. It's not worth it, and it's just a waste of energy. So finally I gave up, threw those blinds away because I can't return them now because I tried to cut through them. But I was able to buy new ones, and they just came in, thankfully, and I just put them up. So yay, I have blinds now. I don't have to worry about, you know, waking up with the sun flashing on my face or people looking through my window. I need to get rid of these. So I encountered another issue. I got this dresser behind me because my closet is pretty small, and I got it so I could store some extra pants and stuff like that in it, just to clean up more space and, you know, have everything organized. But I didn't want to spend too much money on furniture. I got this dresser for like 70 bucks on Amazon, 70 or 80 bucks. Like, it was not that expensive. Spent quite a long time building it, and everything was going great until I realized that the bottoms fall off, and it's not like everything's just like crashing down. It's like just slightly, I think, under the weight kind of gives. So I figured a solution would be this Gorilla Glue. I just saw it on Amazon, and apparently if you put it on the corners, it'll make sure it's like a little more sturdier. I don't know, but we'll see if this thing works. And the worst part about it is, though, I'll have to take out everything and let these doors dry overnight. So my room's gonna be a mess again, but it's okay because I would rather have one night of that than like these stupid doors falling out. So stay tuned. So update on the Gorilla Glue. It dried off. It didn't take that long, honestly. It didn't take overnight. I think it took about like 6 hours. So just do it when, you know, you're not going to be at home. But this is how the end result is. It's so sturdy. The drawer is not falling off. I'm going to try to shingle it. OMG, like, it's not moving at all. So if you have a cheap dresser like this and you find that your doors fall off, I highly recommend this. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much about done with my room. The blinds are up, I Gorilla Glued the dresser, got a new basket where I was going to store everything, so just putting the final touches, and I got these things for my TV wires. As you can see, they look really attractive, so I heard that these are really good if you want to hide them and make sure that they are blending in and not looking, well, like that. So we're gonna see how I can utilize these. The instructions are really vague, so who knows, God help me, but so I just want to show you guys what the concealer looks like once it's put on, and I am super impressed. I feel as if it makes my room look super sleek. So if you guys are in the market to hide some wires, I really highly recommend some cable concealers.
And I can see by how you look, oh yes, you're feeling all this bubble style. I see the look in your eye, wondering just how I get it down. I'll have you moving crazy, I'll have you moving wild. You'll be acting oopsie daisy, don't act like you ain't down.
So this is what my final room looks like. I really tried my best to maximize my space by using a lot of storage options, such as these baskets, which are super helpful. I keep my accessories, my sweaters, etc., and just random crap that I want to hide from the public in here. And I also really like the fact that the rack gives me space outside of my closet to organize my clothing. And I also happen to get a bed with underbed storage, so I also get to hide all my stuff there. And as for my shoes, I keep them outside my room looking cute and organized. And I have my own bathroom, so that's where I keep all my hair and makeup stuff. So that's all for my room. I know it's like not the biggest room, but trust me, for New York standards, it is pretty big. I'm surprised I was able to fit in so much. Let me know if you guys are interested in how I store everything, because I kind of alluded to that in the video. But if you guys are interested in more detailed video on, maximizing space and storing everything in more detail, yeah, let me know and I would be happy to film that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, go subscribe below, comment, and show your support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!